The vise screw allows you to tighten and loosen your cut-off saw's vise. The vise screw can be damaged if something falls on it. The threads will wear over time and can eventually slip within the vise nut. Replacing the vise screw is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the roll pin that secures the clamp face to the screw. I'll use a punch and a hammer. With the roll pin removed, now I can separate the screw from the clamp face. And I'll be careful to not lose the washers. Next, I'll remove the screw from the nut and the screw guide. With the screw removed, I can remove the vise nut. Next, I'll separate the handle from the screw. It's secured with a roll pin. To remove it, I've opened the jaws on my vise about 1/2 inch. I'll place a rag over the jaws and place the screw inside the gap. The rag will prevent the threads from being damaged. I'll use a punch and hammer to remove the pin. With the pin removed, I can separate the handle from the screw. Now I can replace the vise screw. Now I can install the vise handle back onto the screw. First, I'll place the handle on the anvil on my vise and start the pin into the handle. I only need to install it to the point that it's secure. Now insert the screw into the handle, aligning the hole in the screw with the pin. And now I can tap the pin the rest of the way into place. To reassemble, I'll place the vise nut in the screw guide. It doesn't matter which way you orient the nut when you install it. The difference will be the position it's in when it's unlocked. So I'll place the nut into the screw guide and then insert the screw. Now I'll install the first washer. I'll insert the post through the clamp, install the second washer, and I'll secure it with the pin. And that's how easy it is to replace the vise screw on your cutoff saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.